Atlassian's recent $610 million acquisition of the browser company marks a major step in the evolution of the workplace technology. This move highlights a new era where AI is transforming how knowledge workers interact with their digital tools. Founded in 2019 by Josh Miller and Harsh Agarwal, the browser company has been a pioneer in creating browsers as productivity platforms, not just passive viewers. So let's dive into this acquisition. The company, meaning the browser company, developed two groundbreaking products, the Arc browser and the Dia browser. The Arc browser gained a dedicated following among Mac users with its unique design featuring vertical tabs and spaces for organization. The company then shifted its focus to Dia, an AI native platform designed for built in chat features and task automation. Our browser initially gained a passionate user base among Mac professionals due to its innovative redesign. Features like vertical tabs, spaces, and split view capabilities offered a fresh approach to web browsing. However, its radical departure from traditional interfaces also presented a challenge. Josh Miller, co founder of the browser company, referred to this as the novelty tax, indicating that many users found it too complex to fully adopt. The recognition of user adoption barriers led to a strategic pivot. The browser company developed Dia, an AI native browser, while placing Arc in maintenance mode. This demonstrates their adaptability and focus on future innovation. The Dia browser has multiple features. Let's highlight four of them. One is chat with tabs. Dia allows you to talk to an AI about the content across all of your open tabs, which helps with information synthesis. Second one is a writing assistant. The browser includes tools for copy editing and content creation to improve productivity. The third one is task automation. It offers AI capabilities for complex tasks like planning, shopping. And the fourth, context awareness. Dia learns from your browsing habits to provide personalized assistance. Access to these unlimited AI features is available through a $20 monthly subscription. Now let's understand the strategic importance of browsers. We have seen Perplexity doing something. Now we are seeing Atlassian buying a browser company. So why the strategic importance of browsers? And what is it all about? Browsers have become a crucial part of the digital workspace, acting as the primary interface for knowledge workers. They function as a de facto operating system, connecting various SaaS tools and managing workflows. This acquisition gives Atlassian strategic control over a critical piece of infrastructure and a new channel to reach its 300,000, not 30,000, but 300,000 customers, which includes 80% of Fortune 500 companies. The market for AI browsers is experiencing explosive growth. The annual growth rate is 32.8%, and 76.8% of this growth is driven by enterprise usage, particularly in productivity and workflow automation. This growth signals a major market expansion. Atlassian's strategy is focused on deep integration, connecting the new browser with its existing products like Jira, Confluence, Trello, and Loom. The acquisition provides a channel for enterprise distribution, giving Atlassian rapid access to millions of new users. The company plans to leverage its existing AI expertise, which is used by 2.3 million monthly users across its platform. And the Atlassian CEO, you can see his quote on your screen, by combining the browser company's passion for building beloved browsers with our 2 decades of understanding how knowledge workers operate, we see a huge opportunity to transform the way work gets done. So that's where the secret sauce lies. Now let's talk a little bit about the competitive landscape. The AI browser market is becoming increasingly competitive. Notable players include OpenAI, which is reportedly launching a new browser to challenge. We spoke about Perplexity earlier. Perplexity offers its Comet browser for $200 a month with AI native functionality. Then Opera is also in the market with its Neon browser, which has comprehensive AI agent capabilities. We will know who the leader is in the AI browser market in the next 12 to 24 months. So what does the future of browsing look like? The new phrase of the browser wars is defined by a shift from manual navigation to intelligent task automation and context-aware assistance. The future will feature agent-based interactions that replace traditional tab-based browsing. It will also include natural language navigation, allowing users to perform complex tasks with voice and text commands. Overall, AI-powered browsers have the potential to completely transform how knowledge workers get things done in the digital age. So, this acquisition, valued again, as I said earlier, at $610 million, signals a significant shift in the browser wars. It emphasizes that AI capabilities, deep enterprise integration, and optimized workflows are now more critical than traditional browser metrics. For knowledge workers who often juggle numerous tabs and SaaS applications, these AI powered browsers have the potential to fundamentally transform their digital work experience. As Josh Miller of the browser company aptly puts it, together, DIA has a real shot at becoming central to the next great platform shift. With that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you for watching. Support our work by joining us as a member. In any case, we hope that you would like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun show.